this is a week of, we're giving you 2 doses, doubles, so this is purely predictions. Upcoming games, yeah. So straight up, we go to game here. Fulham and Wolves. Yes.
Wamekutana mara 16. Fulham wameshinda 3 times.
Alright.
7 times. Draw 6 times. Away wins. Wolves wamekuwa na wana wengi so far. Win zote za Fulham zimekuwa home zote. Hizo 3 wins zimekuwa home. Yeah.
So from both of them coming from away win, especially for Wolves, was a very important win because it's their first win
this
season actually, and then at least won a battle relegation. So from there now to Fulham, of which one may overperform.
Wamekuwa na amazing season at number 7 side.
Yes, so far. Yes, Smith Rowe they're shining. You know.
So Cunha versus Smith Rowe.
Is ndo hapo sasa.
All will the hard battle.
But I believe Wolves will pull this one.
Ile pace yenye
they're playing with, yeah. And then the coordination they have with the team. Al-Nouri at it. Hey, man, that guy is good. He's a good winger. Yeah, so I believe this one I'll give it to Wolves, baby, with a clean 2-1 win.
Because effort.
Yeah.
Hiyo hawatashinda na bao mingi, ni hiyo tu bao moja, either a 1-0 ama a 2-1.
Yeah.
Hata mimi ninapea Wolves because wako na the momentum side.
Yeah. Hi, another game, Arsenal versus Nottingham.
Hiyo itakuwa a pretty amazing game because wote hamtoka lost. Some point hata kama Arsenal walikuwa draw against Chelsea, ilikuwa lost because Baba lose points. Zenye ni critical side kwa the rest to the title. Pia Nottingham will lose at home. So with them traveling, itakuwa pia game ngumu. Sisi watakuwa away na loss.
But do you know they share points?
Share points hapo hivyo. So PPA itakuwa ndio wasema itakuwa
a tricky one.
I need to test game. So mean that give it a draw.
Considering Saka alitoka kinda injured.
From
I don't know how bad it is because haja go up for internationals.
Lakini Saka don't anafanya joka. Saka kuna game juzi hapa tunafanya kuna ile refu akatokelezea.
Hii game ya wapacheza na team gani?
I believe
Tottenham.
Yes.
I'm not so sure, but your game akupatiana list yake.
Afu
akashow up.
Man
City. I'm not so sure.
One of those games. Look at two recent games.
Yeah. But I believe it's not that bad out. So akona 2 weeks.
So by the time we've got 23rd.
Of which Odegaard is back. I think they have a full squad.
Media major fit.
Yeah.
At least Saliba alisharudi.
Yeah.
So
this one I'll give it a clean.
Arsenal lazima watashinda.
Yeah. They will win this one. But no clean sheets.
After clean sheets mama.
Yeah. I think Woods will do something.
Atashinda kule.
Yeah. So I give it a 3-1 to Arsenal. Straight win.
Another interesting game ni game ya Manchester City versus Spurs.
That's an extremely interesting game. Unajua kwa nini? Walichapwa na Tottenham Carabao.
Juzi tu.
Yeah.
Sasa mbali sana.
Yes. Yeah. So and then now Man City have been informed with a lot of injuries.
Yes.
Spurs, I believe, they have majority of their players back because Son is back.
Son is back.
Yes. So this one, it's a tricky one.
Na plus pia wametoka loss na machungu. Pia Man City walikuwa na loss. So
if Man City play the way they played to Brighton second half, walienda tu kuzuba because they had like 0 shots on target.
Lakini sidhani walizubana. Kuna midfielder aliingia second half.
Huyo
jamaa alikuwa machine.
Hold up.
Huyo jamaa aliclutch game.
But if they go and play the way they played second half in Brighton, trust you me, Pep loses his 5th game in a row.
Asizani. Itakuwa a first time. In life lazima kuwe na first time for everything. But najua hatataka hiyo baggage. Because I believe hii wiki imekuwa heavy. Okay.
And then Pep players wake majority hawajatana for internationals.
Yeah. So I believe Spurs wako in for a treat. Hata sikizia.
For which money I believe Man City win this one.
Itakuwa clear win for Man City.
Yes. Yeah. How many?
Hapo labda about 3 hivi. Hapo. Haaland kama machungu. Pia Haaland hajakuwa kishani mmoja. So with KDB back, I think that provides some solid chances.
Yeah, even Bernardo is back as well.
So itakuwa an intriguing game. Yeah.
So I mean, for me on my side, I'll give it like a 2-0. Yes.
Itakuwa iko sana, itakuwa thrashing.
Hakuna goal fest hapo. Na feel ni kama Tottenham will defend more. Yeah. Considering local away.
No problem.
So Man City with the home fans, they have to prove a point as well.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Tukiangalia Sunday.
Super Sunday.
Game mbili hapo.
Yes.
Southampton Liverpool na Ipswich Manchester United.
First game Amorim.
Yes, after
tuone tactics
zake, tuone players yenye hata bring along.
Actually, you know, his first choice, the first game, it ended up crucial sana because I think everyone is just anticipating for certain formations. Yeah, so we really want to see
how he'll gel the team.
Yes.
How his formation will be. Now with Ipswich having an incredible season. Tukikaa vibaya hata kama itakuwa first game ya Amorim, tunaweza ka square hivi.
But unajua nini? Hatuwezi toka from like a 4 straight no lose games and then all of a sudden we just start sinking.
With Manchester, anything is possible. Anything is possible.
No. I believe they have to prove a point to this new manager.
Yeah.
So they have to win this game.
So
even if it's away.
Itakuwa vibao ngapi?
Kwanza,
welcome the new manager.
First half, wanachapa tatu kwanza. Za kuwarm up. Especially it's been a while since they scored 3 goals in first half. Apart from game, you just at least one score. 2 goals.
2 goals
first half, yeah. So I believe they will add some more. This is a clean win.
I mean,
and I feel Onana increases his clean sheet.
Clean sheet,
yeah, as well.
Liverpool hapo wakapatana Southampton inakaa
walkover, but
this is Southampton.
Yeah, Southampton najua pia kuna ile game walichezea City only waliwachapa only 1 goal.
Was a peke yake.
That game walikuwa so compact defending as a unit. So City will need their creatives. For Liverpool they'll need their creatives to stand out so that they can beat this team. Because I believe they're trying to fight relegation as well.
Good.
And that's their first win. Yeah.
So itakuwa
tricky.
Another intriguing game, but I'll give it to Liverpool.
Unless there's another win.
Another 2-1.
Another extra more points.
Kidogo tu hapo juu ya Man City kidogo. Si mingi sana.
Straight on to
Monday football hapo. Newcastle after win.
Wanapatana West
Ham akina Antonio.
The Spider-Man.
Yes. Last game walipatana ilikuwa a 4-3 win.
In favor
Newcastle.
Okay. This one wanacheza St. James.
So
which I believe they're stronger there because they're at home. So this is probably a clean win for them.
Of course, the fact that umetoka from a win, kuna home ground advantage.
And not just a win, a good comeback.
Yes.
For
So
that matter.
na believe itakuwa another goal fest pia because hizo games zao zimekuwa pia na goal fest.
Yeah.
So hii ni game inaweza kaa
It's like
3-2 hivi
yeah.
ama 3-1 pia. Yeah.
I believe they might keep a clean sheet. So naona hii game it's fully
Newcastle ndio. Yeah. So guys, hapo chini mweza tuambia also
your predictions down there.
Na sisi hapo chini.
Yeah.
Feedback muhimu pia my guys. Yeah.
Yes, tell us unaonaje kama Arsenal will up the ladder
kidogo.
Yes.
Na pia Liverpool pia wataendelea
to push
chances.
Yeah, to push their points more. Yeah, and then tell us kama Manchester will have their first win. And as well Chelsea, tumesahau Chelsea. Hawa tuanduthi. To Okada guys.
Wako na Leicester.
Right. Yeah, they're playing with Leicester.
And kick off first game of
yeah, I hope Vardy will be in. I'd love to. I'm not so sure. And KickChatKe were injured, so I'm not so sure kama he's back. But that's an interesting game.
Wako na kijana ito Bonanati or something.
Yeah.
Unajua ball. So with that Vardy asipokuwa. Yeah.
This one they're going to run. I believe they'll be more better the way they played against Manchester.
Yeah.
They'll be more better, and they have a home advantage.
True.
Yeah, so I want to see the difference.
Wakadaga kidogo watasikizia uzito. So umesema wafanye sasa shida ni wakipigwa hii game na maisha hatutaenda home. Watapack ndugu zote tutafute mambo.
Kama game ya Arsenal walikuwa wamepack man. So clubs zilikuwa zimejaa tu ndugu outside wanafikiri ni kama.
Sasa ndio ni game ya jioni. So kwa labda wangeshindwa hiyo siku pia wanaenda home pia.
Tungeenda home.
Na pia mnamkamanda kasi wamejamba.
Apeleki watu job. Yeah, so I think that's it from this episode. Yeah, thanks guys. It's a wrap from us.